What role does ANSI play in weird safety equipment laws? Imagine walking into a store and seeing a hard hat that claims it can withstand 1,000 impacts, or an emergency eyewash station with very specific size rules. You might wonder how laws can get so detailed about safety gear. Well, a big part of that puzzle is the American National Standards Institute, or ANSI. They do not make laws directly, but they set the technical rules that safety equipment must meet. These rules are called standards, and they are created through a process where manufacturers, safety experts, and users all agree on what is needed. ANSI standards cover a wide range of safety gear like helmets, protective shoes, eye protection, fall arrest systems, and emergency wash stations. For example, they specify how tough a hard hat should be, how much impact it must absorb, and what materials are acceptable. They also set size requirements for emergency eyewash stations, making sure they are big enough and easy to access in emergencies. These standards are voluntary, but many laws and regulations say that safety gear must meet or be equivalent to ANSI standards. This means if a helmet or eyewash station does not meet these rules, it might not be legally acceptable. States and federal agencies often reference ANSI standards when writing safety laws. This is why some laws seem very particular or even odd. For instance, a law might specify that a hard hat must resist impacts of a certain energy level, or that an eyewash station must deliver a specific flow rate within a certain time frame. These details come straight from ANSI's technical standards, which are based on testing and research. Because of this, safety laws can sometimes look very detailed or quirky, but they are actually based on tested performance criteria. In many cases, these standards help prevent accidents and injuries by making sure safety equipment works as intended. They also help employers and workers know exactly what kind of gear to use. So, when you see a law that seems overly specific about safety gear, it is often because ANSI standards have set clear, measurable rules. This connection between ANSI and safety laws explains why some safety equipment laws across America can seem a bit eccentric or very detailed. It's all about making sure safety gear performs well in real-world situations, even if it sounds a little unusual at first glance.